So one of the biggest findings that we had in the process of doing the study is that there's no one way to use the Smart Pen. All of the students were really able to create their own learning style and develop their own method for collecting the information that they needed to know. Some students really benefit from just outlining. Some students write a lot and they love it, and that's what they want to do. So it really just depends on their personality and their style. So it was really helpful to them in just gaining the confidence that they needed to be that kind of a sort of a self-directed learner.
They found that there were many students for whom this was a better accommodation strategy, but for some students it wasn't. And that led to some criteria that we now employ in the assigning of the pen to students with disabilities.
You don't necessarily want to train people to use it in a certain way. You want to give them the tool, tell them how to use it, expose them to all the different functionalities, and then let them try and fit it into the way that they learn. So that was pretty huge, because part of the goal of the program, the research study anyway, was to figure out how to train people for the disabled students programs, Smart Pen program in the future. And so we had a lot of feedback for the DSP on how to do that.
Yeah, what's great about that is that students could then take this skill and this tool into the workforce and then be more independent for, the rest of their lives instead of just being able to use it while they're in school.